and today we're gonna make slime. So, I'm gonna open this down, and we're gonna open the glue. And the first direction, put 15 milliliters of glue using the supplied measuring cup and pour it into a bowl. Okay, where's the measuring cup? Wait, let me see. Are these the measuring cup? No. Where's the measuring cup? Do you have it? Dang it, whatever. We'll just put in how much ever we want. That's what I said. Wait, is this the measuring cup? Dang it, no it's not. Whatever, it's fine. None of them is probably the measuring cup anyways. Just pour it in. I'm just gonna put glue in. Don't use all of it. I'm not. We need a lot of slime. Okay, that's probably good. But actually,
Damn it.
just a little more. Okay, that's good. Do as much as I did.
My bowl's a little small.
Don't use all my glue, my slime glue though. Alright, let me adjust this camera. Okay. Okay, that's good, Autumn, that's good. I know, that's way too much, but okay. Can I add a little bit more to mine then? Okay, give me the glue.
I have all my glue. I finished it all the way. No, that way. We need it to fill it up.
Okay, that's probably good. Yeah, that's good.
Mine fell up all the way.
Okay, so that's my glue. No, give me the directions.
What do we do next?
Give me the directions. Okay. Measure 20 milliliters of water, room temperature.
What?
Okay, I'll get the water. Don't do anything with my camera. Okay,
Okay.
I'll get the water.
Can I put this in there?
No, not yet. But okay, gosh.
I already did.
Trying to ruin your slime.
I won't ruin my slime. La 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 la. Guess what I did to your camera? I flipped it over.
Why? Did you just pause it?
No. Yeah, I know how to make videos more than you. I'm kidding.
Okay, that's probably good. Okay, that's
I'll
probably
get the
good.
glue. Okay.
You can have glasses. Fine.
Okay.
Okay, pour it in slow. Let me see how. Don't pour anything in yet. Okay.
It is. What? Who just did that?
You farted, Adam. Okay, pour it in slowly. You can pour it in. Pour it in slowly, though. Pour it in.
I know how to do this. I make slime.
I know.
Oh my god, that's really hard. You're doing it fast.
Is that? Do you think that's good enough? What do we have?
No, you have to. Mine.
Don't put all of it, because that
Mine's-
might be too much.
Mine looks like a mess.
Just a little bit. Okay, I think that's good for mine.
Yeah, good.
Okay. I think mine's good.
I used all my water.
Okay, we'll move on to step 3. Make it fun. Choose your adjective. Choose something to put in. I'm gonna do purple circles. Okay, don't do all the blue layers. Actually, you have to do all the layers. Okay, put your sparkles in. Put your stuff in.
I'm gonna do blue.
Whee. Oh my god, look how pretty this is. This is mine. Purple that. In the autumn. Oh, that's cute. It's blue. It's cute. Alright. So now,
Last Christmas. Can I put this in?
step.
Can I put this in?
Yeah.
Yay!
To make colored slime, you can dye it. But don't dye it, because you already have enough. You already
Can
have
we
enough.
make like all kinds of slimes?
I just don't want to use. Oh, actually, look how much glue we have left.
Uh-huh.
Alright, whatever. Okay.
Can I
So,
like, stir?
not yet. To make. Oh, actually. Okay, step 4. Stir the mixture of glue, water, and additive with slime stick. Do it slow. Fully blended. Okay, start stirring. Stir. And do it softly. Autumn, stir.
Okay.
Without stopping. Constantly stir. Okay.
I thought you said stir to me.
Oh my god. You're funny. Okay. That's okay. I don't think this is gonna work.
Mine's starting to be like that.
Mine too, actually. This might work. Okay.
I hope
We're gonna go on to step 5. Measure 5 milliliters of slime activator solution and slowly pour it in.
I feel like there's bubbles in it.
Autumn, it's fine. Okay, slime activator.
This looks like cookies and cream.
Okay, so wait, no, this is
That's not activator.
this is activator.
You
Okay.
have to actually look at the thing. If this is heavy, it's not it. This is glue.
Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit in one of these cups.
Let's see.
Autumn,
Surprise.
stop it. Bad girl. Stop.
You deserve it.
Okay, so I think this is about enough slime activator. So pour this in slowly. So as you're mixing, don't stop and pour it in slowly. Okay? That's how you make slime.
I know how to make slime.
Oh,
Is
my
that
god,
good?
look it. It's starting to go into the slime.
Is that good?
A little bit more. Oh my god, look, it's starting to go into
Tell
the
me when
slime.
to
Look it, it started going in the slime.
Tell me when to slime.
Scored it. Okay, that's probably good.
Okay.
And then I think I might need, actually,
That's how mine was.
king. We didn't use the correct way in the tricks. Okay, give me the cup.
That was my cup.
I don't care.
Ew.
It's slime, see? It's slime. It's okay, it's slime. You have googly eyes in yours, so it'll look a little gross.
No, it will not. Yours will. If you say mine would.
Alright, whatever.
Looks like noodles.
I can't, like, pour this.
This won't get off my
Oh
sink.
my god, I can't, like, move. Oh my god, it's turning into slime for the first
Guess
time.
what? Guess what? Ooh.
Hannah, we made slime.
It feels so weird.
I know. Oh my god.
Maybe Pam did it wrong. My dad
pretty much-
barely make slime actually.
Okay, no more.
It doesn't work. It's not working on the sides.
Just a little bit more. I don't want to lose all the activator.
You could put more activator in it.
Fine, I'll just put a little bit more.
That's not activator.
Yeah, it
That's
is.
not water. That's not water.
Did you taste it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're so gross.
No.
Okay. So, mine looks like this so far. Autumn's, what is... I said Autumn's. Oops. Autumn,
My
what is...
name is Autumn.
Autumn, what does yours look like? Can we stretch it yet? Oh my god.
So
this is
watery.
so gross. But at least it's like turning into slime.
Oh my god.
The slime activator is turning it into slime, so that's good.
The googly eyes are making so much.
Oh my god! The slime activator is turning it into slime.
I guess we didn't do it right last time.
It was my mom's fault. She put what we need. It was just not working last time.
It wasn't her fault.
Okay, I gotta practice like mixing this.
Can we make like all kinds of slime
This is just the one slime we're doing.
on this video?
Yeah.
Okay. We're not finished.
We're definitely gonna do another slime.
You
video,
need to put more
guys.
activator. I put the right kind. You see, look, mine's
Oh
all
my god, how'd you do that?
mine's a
You put
slime.
a lot in there. Did you put a lot in your cup?
Nah, like that.
How'd you?
Like around the sides a little bit,
Oh, I see.
like in every space. Oh, it's actually slime.
Oh my god, you did it! How'd you do that? Can you help me?
Yes, sir. Oh my god.
Do it! Ow. Mine's not gonna turn to slime, definitely not.
Well, maybe you have to stir it extra well.
Is that what you did?
Yeah.
Help me, please. How'd you turn it into slime? That's so not fair.
Want me to do it?
Yes.
Okay. Let me do this.
Here's the activator.
Might actually need some more activator.
All right, here you go.
I
Here's your activator.
I lost my babies.
Oh, bad. All right, here's your activator. Just a little bit, because I know we have another thing though. Okay. So this is working well. My hands smell like actually kind of good. This glitter smells good for some reason.
Maybe you're gonna have to get rid of like the water.
Here, let me keep stirring. Oh my god. How'd you get yours to... Can I feel yours? How'd you get yours to turn into slime? Oh my god, God no. God, no. How'd you get yours to turn into slime like that?
I don't know. Maybe you have to follow the rules.
Oh!
Oh,
Great.
Oh,
Oh, it's actually turning into slime now.
really great. That's good,
Okay, can you go pass me a towel? Can you go get me a towel?
guys. I'm gonna sing the Morocco for a minute.
Okay, can you go get me a towel, please? No, just go get the towel, please. I'm dreading with slime water.
Fill the slime. Ah!
Go across the stove.
I can't walk on the stove.
Okay, whatever. Give me a paper towel roll. No, just give me the paper towel roll.
I'm saying no.
Can I have the paper towel roll? Please?
No, it's not that one. It's
Fine, I'll show you.
what?
Okay, can I have the paper towel roll now?
It's not like that. It's
Can I please just have the may I please have the paper towel?
good.
Thank you. Just throw it to me.
Paper doesn't work like that.
Okay, thank you. Oh my god, there's like slime water all over me. Okay.
I never made.
Oh, it's
slime.
turning into. I never made slime with a slime kit. Slime. Kit.
Oh! Oh, I got see. Ew, that doesn't smell good. It smells it. Smell it. Smell it. It smells really bad.
That's not. Oh my gosh.
Activator!
We're gonna have to clean this.
Okay.
I'm gonna go dread some water. Let me see.
Mine's full with eyeballs.
It's still not slime. How did you do that? Seriously.
I don't know. It's a mystery.
Okay, whatever. Well.
I can't see. Where's the eye?
Okay, well, I'm gonna go jump this water out except for this one. This is very unpleasant. It's probably because you put a lot of glue in there.
Maybe next time you have to do that.
Okay.
Eyeballs! Mitts.
You made a mess, dude. Okay, let me clean my hands off and then I'll be there. I have to dump this slime out. This slime is so bad. You don't have to dump yours out. You like your slime? I don't like mine.
Mine is a Morocco.
Mine sticks to the bowl.
Like Natasha's slime? That she gave you?
I like the slime she gave me.
Yeah, but we had to throw it out because it was so messy.
I know it was. Did you tell her I did that?
No,
Okay, good.
but I will.
No, you will not.
Are you scared she's gonna be like, "Argh!"
Yeah.
She's not. She's nice.
True. Okay. I'm gonna go clean up where I dropped everything. Okay. We made a huge mess. Alright, can you put everything back in the bag and then I'll put it back in the box?
I thought we were making more.
Oh, we're for only for this video we made some slime. We're not gonna make any more for today. Okay. So put all this stuff back in the bag. Autumn, please. Okay. May you please, can you pass me the bag, please? May you please pass me the bag? And when you get that slime off the table, make sure to clean up any little pieces that got.
I think you're a neat freak.
I think your face is a neat freak.
You're more.
And mine's a neat freak.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
What the heck? This girl's weird.
Are we gonna? We're not
Weird
gonna make
tonight.
one. We're not gonna make one today.
No, I'm sorry. Just makes a big mess. Maybe another time.
Every time you come here.
Maybe. All right. We had an awesome day making slime with you. Can you throw your stick out? Fine, I don't know. Whatever. We had an awesome day. You can keep the stick if you want to play around with your slime. But
I have other things to play with.
seriously, even the water spilled. All right.
That's not water. That's not water.
We're
That's
gonna-
gross water.
So after I clean this up, we're gonna end the video. We've been having some problems.
You don't have to tell them you're gonna end the video.
All right.
Ah.
Okay, whatever. I just have to clean up all this water. Mess.
Ooh.
You made a
Ah.
huge mess.
Oh my god. What?
Got on her book.
Don't yell at me. I didn't do that.
I know you didn't.
Rat.
All right, I'm gonna put this towel away. Okay. Now we're ready. Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna show them this.
Go show Hannah your slime. Go show her your slime. Go show.
Follow me.
All right. Switched it. She's gonna climb across the stove. She's gonna go show the babysitter her slime. Hannah, look at the awesome slime Autumn made. Mine didn't turn out so well, but this is Autumn's. Wait, is she sitting outside?
What?
No, she's not. Let's go. Oh, dang it. Okay, I accidentally covered it. Autumn made some cool slime, but mine didn't turn out as well. That's Autumn's slime.
That's good.
Mine didn't turn out so good.
Slime.
What's that
Mine,
blue stuff?
mine didn't turn out so good.
Oh, that's really nice.
Googly?
Okay, come on.
Yes.
Yeah, we.
Blue stuff?
I put
that's
I put purple sparkles in mine, but it didn't turn out so well.
It did turn out. I tried to help her.
Okay, let's go.
How'd you make that?
We used my slime kit.
Maybe next time we can use that. See, look at this. Guys, look at this. Oops.
Oh my god, it doesn't even make a mess. Your slime's good. Okay, hang on.
Look. Oh, my foot is sticking.
Oh
It has
my
a big
god.
dent in it. Oh. Is it facing you?
No. Okay, this is where we say bye. Bye.
Bye. Hold on.